I miss those days. I wish, real rappers, real MCs will come back. Because, like, when I try to listen to the radio, I'm like instantly turn it off, or I'm just watching them. I can't stick around, man.
Bro, I can't. As I look back though, man, on hip hop, man, I know there were a few positive elements, but I remember I saw the massive shift when N.W.A.'s album dropped. Like everything in the hood changed overnight, bro. Like it was like there was no swearing on records up until that point. Like Run-DMC, you might hear a F maybe or something. You know what I mean? Just one, like, but when they came, the whole black world changed, man, and it hasn't turned back since.
You are not the first one to say that. So you're basically blaming the West Coast. Okay, we'll take that. I'll take that.
Oh, that's right. You out there? That's right. Yeah, that's right. Nah, man. It was a seismic wave. Oh my gosh. I was in Boston, and when N.W.A. hit, all of a sudden, I swear it was that same year, dudes started picking up baseball caps and making gangs out of them. You know what I mean? So yeah, it got rough, man. And Boston got rough. Now that was the year everything changed, man.
Well, from what I know, Boston's always been rough, though. Boston always had a reputation.
Oh, well,
that's where New Edition's from.
Yeah, and it's funny. Black Boston is tiny, so like everybody, you 1 degree from somebody else. You know what I mean? But yeah, it was rough. But that point right there, 86, 87, it went to shit. Excuse my language. It got really bad, bro. It got really bad, man. Really bad, bro.
I heard. I kid you not. I heard DJ Jazzy J, not Jazzy Jeff from Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince, Will Smith. I'm speaking about Jazzy J. He was a DJ back in the late 70s, early 80s. Okay. He was from that era of Africa Bambaataa. Yeah. From that era. Yeah. DJ Jazzy J. He has said the same thing that you just said. He said it wasn't until N.W.A. When N.W.A. started making music, that's when the genre changed. That's when it started to go gangster. And also, I heard Common, I Used to Love Her, which is a great song, by the way. It's a great hip hop song. Yeah. If you haven't heard that song, you may not be. I'm just talking generally speaking. If you haven't heard that song and you lived during those times, man, you're missing out, because that song, I Used to Love Her, it actually explains what we're talking about. Right. He does a great job of just breaking down the history. And this is when he was Common Sense back in the day. This is before he changed it to Common.
Yeah.
And him and Ice Cube had a beef over that because Ice Cube made a response, but it's not until hip hop got to the West Coast where you started to see gangster rap being promoted, and N.W.A. was at the forefront of that. Right. I do agree with that. I am from the West Coast. I'm from the Bay. Yeah. The Bay Area and L.A. We have our little our kerfuffle. We don't agree. We agree to disagree. We're different.
Oh, that's what's up.
So SoCal is not NorCal. We do things differently. Yeah, but with that said, I'll take that on the chin. It was our fault. We messed up the game.
Well, no, but if you go back to I remember when KRS first came out, right? Right, but when he had a song with Scott LaRock with 9mm, you know what I mean? And so there were little things. There was Schoolie D. I don't know if you remember Schoolie D. Okay, so he was like the first on the West Coast that really started tripping. So it was like a little tease here with what he was doing. But when N.W.A. came, everything changed. What everything?
Schoolie D, great reference, man. That beat it's like his most famous song. He's cursing on that song too. But that beat has been sampled by a variety of artists. Mary J. Blige sampled that beat. It's a famous drum loop. Yeah, but yeah, I know what you're talking about, Art. I know I may not look like it. I know I'm super light skinned. I know I'm young, but I know I can follow you now. I can follow you. So, man. You East Coasters think you're so better than us West Coasters, man. West side.
Oh, that was dope. That was dope. Yeah.
No, I'm just playing. I'm just jawsy. I'm just jawsy. I'm just having fun with you. But yeah, I will agree. The West Coast is. Yeah, mostly responsible, if not entirely responsible. But yeah, you did have rappers like Schoolie D that did curse. Run-DMC, yeah, I mean, I love their music. It's just good music. They just make classics. They made classics, and Yeah, we could go on and on,
You know
but
what's so funny though? One thing, I had to kind of, as I've started studying these commandments, man, and I look back at hip hop, I'm just like, oh my gosh, like it almost seems as though like when the world is dealing with Israelites, they find every single commandment to help us break.
yeah, and hip hop was don't got no excuse as well, because even in hip hop, even though there was a lot of fun music being made, it was all about being better than somebody. Oh, you
Yeah,
know, I rap better than you. Oh, I'm a better DJ than you. Oh,
yeah,
I'm a better graffiti artist than you.
yeah,
Oh, I'm a better b-boy or b-girl than you. It's
yeah,
all about like competition. So like that's
right,
kind of like an American capitalistic spirit. We
yeah,
took on the spirit of capitalism and we conflated it in hip hop. So like even to be all the way real, hip hop wasn't entirely innocent, even though a lot of it was fun. It was still about being better than somebody. Oh, my speakers is louder than your speakers. Oh, my DJ is a better DJ than your DJ. He plays better songs. He's got more skills. Oh, my MC, he got better rhymes. He got, you know, his flow's better. Like, break dancers are up there competing with one another. And yeah, it was just great points. If we're just going to keep it all the way real, yeah, we've actually been messing up. It's just this generation, it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse to the point where it's like it's not even about the talent. I don't, it's like it's a clown show trying to
yeah,
watch these music videos.
yeah,
It's a clown show. It's
yeah.
actually embarrassing.